Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm here with an introduction to a new educational course. This course is suitable for anyone who wants to become a professional in the world of DevOps and containerization. Especially for software developers, system administrators, and IT professionals looking to enhance their skills in Docker and Kubernetes. Also for those who want to work with modern tools like Helm, Compose, and Swarm and get ahead in the competitive job market. This course has a rating of 4.6 and more than 22,000 students, making it a successful and popular choice. Its current price is around €12. By purchasing this course, you will have full access to it and receive all future updates. The total duration is 25.5 hours along with 19 related articles. In this course, you will learn how to use Docker, Compose and Kubernetes on your /cloud machine using DevOps practices. Create a multi-node highly available Kubernetes cluster on Linux. Hands-on with best DevOps practices for making Docker files and Compose files like a pro. Build, publish your own custom Docker images and execute on Docker on Kubernetes as DevOps. Install and configure Kubernetes on-premise and cloud. Kubernetes package applications with Helm and write your own Helm charts for your applications. Add users, set quotas/limits, do node maintenance, set up monitoring on Kubernetes cluster. Now I have an exciting offer for you. I want to share this practical course with you for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Then simply open your browser and go to Google. Type in couponsenter5.com. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Make sure the site address matches what is shown here and that you are redirected to couponsenter5.com. After clicking the link, you will land on the homepage of the site. Here, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find the course you are looking for. Now you can view the course. Scroll down to find the discount coupon and click on the Go to the course button. The course is now available to you for free. Note that the coupon has a limited time validity. So with just a few clicks, you were able to legally and freely access this course. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.